This week I focus on expanding the scenario and creating the game loop that will be used in the final prototype. This loop uses the rubbish sorting scenario as a base and expands on it by making the player clean a house of rubbish by sorting it into the correct bin indicated by the interactable object inspect info. Inspecting a bin will tell the player what rubbish it accepts, and inspecting rubbish tells the player what recycling category it falls under. While simple, some players will not check each piece of rubbish before binning it and then get it wrong. This is the real world behaviour this scenario is trying to discourage, and getting it wrong will force the player to check what recycling category each piece of rubbish falls under. Additionally, when the player makes the wrong choice, they will be forced to either landfill the entire contents of the bin, which also landfills recyclable material, degrading their results, or automatically sorting the bin at the cost of money, further degrading their results. These mechanics make it advantageous to the player to take it slow and check different items before binning them. For this reason, the scenario has no timer and allows the player to think. If this game was expanded beyond this project, more difficult levels could be implemented by increasing the complexity of the recycling requirements, requiring players to perform extra steps before binning an item. This could inform players of additional steps they may need to be aware of in the real world when recycling, such as food containers needing to be washed before recycling. Next week I plan to create a feedback section of the game, showing the effects on the world the players' choices have, and the effects such choices will have if performed by a larger population. Currently, this aspect of the game only displays to the UI as a number and provides no context. Additionally, I intend to incorporate the graph viewer into the project as a high score system that displays the player's previous results in an understandable format.